How much does Google Ads cost in Australia? I'm going to simplify this particular question most Aussies ask. The fact is, the amount of money that you spend with Google Ads will actually depend on you and the keywords and the type of ads you want to run. Also, if you're considering to use Google Ads, do keep in mind that when you set up your account, there's two different payment options so that how you pay for your ads. One is manual payments. That's like the prepaid SIM card plan in Australia. And the other one is automatic payments. So if you say, you know what, I want to have absolute control over my budget and ad spend, then you may select manual payments if you want. But you see, it doesn't really matter what type of industry that you're advertising for or how tight you're on the budget, because it all depends on the keywords that you want to advertise for or the type of ads that you want to run. Surely, certain ads and keywords can become expensive for most small businesses in Australia. Let's imagine this scenario. Let's imagine we want to offer plumbing services. A plumber in Melbourne as an example. And let's say, okay, you know what? Show me some ideas for keywords and also the price range here. As you can see, roof plumber in Melbourne, you've got two price ranges here. One is top of the bid, lower range, and the other one is top of page, high range. What is that about? When someone searches Google, whether it's on a desktop or their mobile, sometimes the ads are shown on top. Let's grab this example. Let's say roof plumber Melbourne. I'll show you now. You can see that if I was to click this ad, it's gonna cost that mob about between $6 to $23 roundabout. But because they're on top of the page, they may pay $23, they may pay $18, they may even pay $15. And this one obviously is going to pay a little bit less because it's below the top here. And also there is some ads perhaps down the bottom, as we can see. That's down the bottom. Then that's going to be costing less. But the thing is, when we do this keyword planner thing here, the amount, this is just the average, just a guide, so to speak. What's more important is the quality of the website, because quality score of a landing page and a website influences the cost of your ads. Furthermore, you may think, you know what, I'm a small business owner, I want to target, keywords, but they seem a bit expensive. If that's the case, you can perhaps settle with lower cost keywords and still utilize Google Ads. And if you were following RankYa YouTube channel and tutorials, then I also show you how to indirectly target potential clients and customers, reducing your ad spend. And when you follow the website optimization techniques as shown on RankYa website and RankYa YouTube channel, then the cost for your ads obviously will definitely improve. So, how much does Google Ads cost in Australia? Will depend on many different factors. As I've said, you are always in total control over what you're spending with Google Ads. And Google Ads is still powerful form of advertising because of the option that it gives you, including precise location targeting and other things as well.